especially professional and large-span space frame projects, such as cold storage, cement warehouse in barrel or dome shape, etc., comparing with traditional H-type steel structure. Space frame with large span has more advantages such as more stability, beautiful appearance, saving cost, etc. LF has been recognized internationally for its expertise in design and construction of space frame structure, domes, and freeform structures, with all product compliant with sustainable building requirements. Our products compass SGS, BV, UV testing and certification, as well as SGS provided by the welding process in line with the AWS evaluation. If the customer has other needs of documents and certifications, our documentation staff will further implement the cooperation. All production is completed in the factory, and the components are miniaturized to facilitate transportation. Avoid welding and processing on site as much as possible. Most of our products avoid a small number of welding or other treatment methods. The installation period is shorter, and the requirements on workers are lower. Factory manufacturing can avoid the safety hazards of on-site welding.
A barrel shell is a shell with a barrel-shaped appearance or barrel-shaped structure. Shell is a kind of structural form with curved shape and thickness much smaller than other dimensions, which can bear large loads and has good stability. Through the design of the barrel shell, the space can be fully utilized to improve the overall floor area ratio and space utilization rate of the building. The frame structure itself has a good bearing capacity, and the barrel shell can further enhance the stability and safety of the structure.
Workers are working on the installation of the overhead space frame.
This is Philippines semi-rare bunker installed video. sliding method of jacking up space frames is simple and fast. This is the dome space frame structure coal bunker installation display. Dome coal bunker is mostly used in vehicle large capacity coal bunker, and its structure can disperse the pressure evenly, so the stress performance is better. The design of dome coal bunker makes full use of its internal space, with high section utilization rate, which can store more coal. In addition, the construction of dome coal bunkers is relatively simple, and due to its structural characteristics, it is also easier to maintain.
The spatial framework of the cathedral is made of high-strength, corrosion-resistant steel. The steel has excellent mechanical properties and durability and can withstand a variety of loads inside and outside the cathedral, including spectator loads, wind loads, snow loads, etc. At the same time, the plasticity and workability of steel also enable the spatial frame structure of the cathedral to achieve a variety of complex shapes and details. The design of the space frame structure of the cathedral fully considers the safety, stability and economy of the structure. Through accurate calculation and analysis, the designer determined a reasonable structural arrangement and component size to ensure the stability and safety of the cathedral under various loads. At the same time, the designers also considered the economy and aesthetics of the structure. By optimizing the structural form and material use, reducing the construction cost, and achieving the grand appearance of the cathedral and the comfort of the interior space.
The following shows you some steel structure space frame buildings. From blueprint to reality, each precisely calculated steel beam is a dual commitment to safety and aesthetics. Each step is a quest for perfect structural strength. Engineers have calculated carefully to ensure that every inch of steel can withstand the most demanding competition tests. Green energy saving is another highlight of the space frame gymnasium. Solar panels provide clean energy for the venue, and rainwater collection systems recycle water resources to protect our beautiful home planet. Into the interior, modern design, and humanistic care. The playing field adapts international standards and is ready for every passionate encounter. Every detail shows respect for the spirit of sports. The roof installation speed of the space frame structure is fast, which gives the owner time to put in early.
The application of space frame structure in glass dome skylight is mainly reflected in its lightweight, efficient load-bearing capacity and aesthetic visual effect. As the dome skylight needs to cover a large area and bear a large load, the space frame structure can provide evenly distributed force transmission while reducing the weight of the overall structure. Efficient load-bearing capacity, open space, and flexible design make space frame structures widely used in hangars. The space frame structure has a superior spanning ability, which enables a large span of space in the hangar without interference from columns, and facilitates the parking, maintenance, and operation of aircraft.
Now let's have a tour of our factory. These are in the process of rod machining. This is the painting of the rods. Drill a base hole for the bulb bowl. Then the bulb bowl is machinized. Bulb bowl is solid. The weight is very heavy, need to be placed on the support with the aid of tools. The bulb bowls are sprayed with zinc to prevent corrosion. This is dealing with sandwich panels. The process in our factory is orderly, fast and quality guaranteed.
Next, I will take you to quickly understand the processing process of color steel plate and sandwich plate. The color steel plate uses galvanized or aluminized zinc steel plate as the substrate, and the surface is coated with color coating. Precise cutting with CNC cutting machine, and then pressed into waves or trapezoids by pressing machine. The coating is dried and cured to ensure weather resistance and beauty. Common core materials for sandwich panels include polyurethane PU, rock wool, and polystyrene EPS. The color steel plate and the core material are bonded by high temperature and high pressure to form a strong sandwich structure. Finally, trim the edges and check the flatness, bonding strength, and fire resistance of the sheet. Roofing sheet processing is a complex and delicate process. Each step directly affects the quality of the final product. I hope that through this video, you have a deeper understanding of roofing sheet processing. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you have a similar project, you can contact us at any time. Remember to subscribe.